You guys, I'm freaking out because I can't get my contacts out of my freaking eyes because I got long nails. I've tried everything online and it's not working. Everything, okay? So I've tried the, like, no, girl, it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, let's try the, like, this one's straight up bullshit. Like, what are you talking about? Like, I'm not even gonna take that one seriously. The pull it out one. Like, are y'all's contacts, what brands are you using? Cause mine is stubborn, girl. Like, ow. Now it's just stuck. Ow. And it's two. Even if I get one out, what about the other one? Girl, my eyes. Help. Okay, let's try this freaking. My eyes hurt at this point. Like, that's wrong. It's not working. I think I have to really push harder. Why can't I just? I'm making zero progress. Zero. You guys, what am I gonna do? For real? Okay. Do I like rip off my nails? What the heck? Okay. I really think this might work. We've been here for 4 minutes. You do realize that, right? Okay, I don't know. Girl, I don't know what to do. Okay. How did I just do that? Let's do this one. Okay, I can do it. Ow. Is this what my life's gonna be like now? Is this my life now? Every night until I have nails on? Is it gonna take me 45 minutes to take one eye out? Okay. I just wanna do what I just did. I just wanna do it again. It's not working. Oh my god. Bro, please, just please. You guys, please, just. Ow. I want to pinch it. I want to pinch my fucking eye out. I don't care. I want to fucking pluck it out, take it off, and then put it back in. Bro, how did I do the other one? It's just not working. I don't know. Y'all be doing this as if it's nothing. You're like, how? Like, why is everyone pretending like I'm losing it? Okay, this is gonna work. It's gonna work.